Good afternoon, myself Swati, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Now I'm going to discuss a case study video with my students based on computer networks. Now we're going to discuss a case study based on end-to-end encryption in WhatsApp, how the features are encrypted and how the messages will be encrypted and decrypted to the sender to receiver. Now we are going to discuss. Let's see.
So, we're going to see about end-to-end encryption in WhatsApp or Telegram or any other chatting platforms. So, as we see in our day-to-day chatting in WhatsApp and Telegram, so making mandatory. So, in that, we are sending chats to our friends and sending videos and sending files and talking video calls and calls. So, these are the main basic things we are using. How do you think that if we are sending in a message, it directly jumps to our mobile to our friend mobile or any other documents? No, it not exactly equal. So it will work based on it will cross across the WhatsApp server, routers, internets, and it will cross across the bunch platforms, and it will reach the final destination process. So this is a process going on. So the main issue we facing in this is while the message are passing to the sender to the receiver, some hackers or any other persons, there may be chats that you can see or use the areas and they are not properly. So to solve these issues, we are using the E2W process. That is nothing but end-to-end encryption in WhatsApp. So the message we have sending from the sender and receiver only can be accessed to that message. So no other person can be accessed to this. So while transferring the message through this concept, we can use our hackers and any other persons to see the message.
Now we can understand the importance of encryptions. Now we are going to see how the message transfer from one person to another. Like I am sending a hello message to my friend. It will not send directly to a friend. It will travel through an internet. While coming to my internet, it travels through ISPs, brokers, and WhatsApp servers. When a message is sending, it will for example, I'm sending a hello. It sends like in a hello format. Many of them are sending a messages. It will be like an crowded traffic in the internet, so that we cannot able to understand the messages. So we are going to encrypt the message so that it will be easily sent and also cannot be accessed by us.
Okay. Now let us see how end-to-end encryption works. So basically, end-to-end encryption works based on a public key cryptography. What is public key cryptography? Before going into that, let us see what is public key and private key. It's not like that. Public key is a home, which is locked, and private key is like a key. But it can be opened only who has the key. So that key is like a private key. So let us now understand how it works. Let us take for an example, hello message that Google said, it is sent via network. If a user A sends a hello message, then it is getting encrypted using public key. And it travels through the network and it reaches the receiver, and then the receiver uses the private key to decrypt the message, and then only he can see the original message. In between, even if any hacker hacks the message, he won't see the original message because it is encrypted, so it is very stable. Also, the WhatsApp, it is end-to-end encrypted in such a way that even WhatsApp can't see what is the original message.
So I'm here to look about the security features in the internet and how this encrypted and according to WhatsApp, the message is sent from the sender to receiver. While the sender encrypt the message and while sending, he will encrypt as a symbol or some encrypted symbol which cannot be understood by anyone. After the decryption only we can see the real message and we can understand what the actual message was. So while the message was typed and it is was encrypted by the sender and it is traveled across the network and it is received by the receiver. So in between this, anyone hacks or anyone trying to steal the message, it only shows the encrypted data stream. For example, if it is full of symbols, then the hacker only sees the symbols. He cannot see what the actual message was. So after So even if hacker is hacking, he cannot see what they are chatting or what they are sending, what data are they are sending. So after message is receiving to the receiver, he will decrypt. So after decrypting it, he can see the actual message as they had as like even while we are using the WhatsApp, we are sending the video calls, any call logs or any private chats and group chats. If we try to hack it, it will the message will disappear. So even the WhatsApp application cannot see what are the messages their user is using. And if they are trying to hack it or see a private message, it will automatically delete it.
Things. Now let me be controlling what you say. So if you see, as the technology grows, number of times the communication has become more digitalized. So if you see this, number of times the hackers be trying to get the chance, number of times we have to be making the data more secure. So one of the examples is the end-to-end encryption. So in this, if you see the data as already said by your friends, so one person will be trying to send the message, which will be encrypted by using a public key, and then if he is sending to a specific person, that person will be having a private key using which he will be able to decrypt the data. So, and what are the limitations that once if the data is being hacked by a hacker, then these encrypted messages cannot be seen by us also. And also another important limitation or major limitation is that once if the data is being stored in the cloud, but these data won't be stored as encrypted one. So these data will not be as secure when they are being backed up. So these are the basic limitations. Last, computer networks being used for communication, but data security is more is required in order to keep the data more private and secure. So in which end-to-end encryption is one of the methods. Thank you.
Secure for WhatsApp
There is other platforms as well, like Telegram, other chat bots that you are using on the like Facebook and others.
So not of the good chats or why are they transferring the data from one device to another device? They will do something.